Good morning. Alan Nuckman with Option Shop with your morning market stir for Friday, February 15th. Now be aware that today is stock option expiration, so that could add some volatility. Yesterday, the emini S&P was up 1 point at 1518. It did have an 11-point range again, so tight range-bound action. The high yesterday was 1521, which was 1 point below the highs so far this week. The emini Dow sold down as well, down 9 points at 13,949. That had an 85-point range in muted action. And the emini Nasdaq was down 1 at 2769. The action was actually in the currency market once again, down 88 points in the euro currency at 133.63. Keep an eye on the support at 133, which was the January support and also last week. So we'll want to see if it can rebound from there. The dollar index was up 29 at 80.46. The bond market had a bit of reversal. It sold down to 142.25, got close to those lows, and then it had a big bounce. It finished at 143.5, up 7/8 of a full point. Looking at crude market, down 36 at 97.37. Just cannot get through that $98 a barrel level. Still range bound. Gold was also negative, continuing its slide, down another 9 points at 16.36, with silver off 42 cents at 30.45. So where do the markets stand on this Friday morning to end what's been a quiet week so far, though we do have option expiration here today? Well, the markets are off a little bit. We're at 1517 in the emini S&P, down one point. Dow futures right now are at 13,943, down 7. The Dow's been trading between 14,000 made this week and 13,800 for the last 3 weeks. So we still are range bound, but we're up at the upper end of the range. The Nasdaq right now is at 2765, down 2. 2780 was the high on Friday, and if it can push above that again, then it should be on track to get to that 2820, which was the target of the range that it traded in for the previous month. The euro currency is drifting lower right now, down 28, 133.22. Keep an eye on 133 on a weekly basis. The dollar index is steady right now. The bond market is ticking up a little bit. We're up 6 at 143.20. That's been range bound as well, between 144.5 and that 142.25 from yesterday and then the previous lows since January 25th. So still in a not even 2 point range for the last few weeks. Crude oil's off today at 97, down 40 cents, and gold continues to disappoint the bulls, that is, down 9 at 16.26, and we've got silver at 30.20. So to wrap up the action on this Friday morning, right now, with 2 hours to go before the stock market open, the emini S&P is down 1 at 1517, and Dow futures are down 10 at 13,940. I will see you Tuesday for the Stir in the Markets to set up your trading day. From Option Shop, here at the CME Group, it all comes back to commodities.